So let me introduce the legend, known for his calm under pressure, a captain who found glory whenever he led his troops, the only captain in history to win 3 ICC trophies and claim 5 IPL titles, leading Chennai Super Kings to become the most successful IPL team in history. He took Team India to the top of Test rankings for the very first time in 2009. A keeper who holds the record for the fastest stumping in the history of the game, a recipient of Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awards. Ladies and gentlemen,